Oh dear. Oh dear. We got a special delivery loaded. It's way in. Should be here at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Yeah. Yeah, I said. Oh. Ugh. That kind of reeks. And my new one. Oh, my new one. This was a treat getting on the trailer. Let me tell you a little story about how much of a treat. Ow. That was getting on the trailer. It was a treat. Big time. Holy shit.
Yeah, that felt nice and heavy, dude.
I did it. Holy f***. Oh yeah, the cops will open that and not even suspect three things.
Kilos?
Oh my goodness. It's an exciting day in Inwood, boys. Oh, cigarette butts. Love those. Love cigarette butts. But, yeah. Special delivery on its way. According to the phone call I got last night, it should be here at 9 in the morning. And haven't heard anything other into the contraries, so I haven't heard anything into the contraries. Starts right up in the cold though. Holy suffer. This is my good one, big time. Really bad. Got a bit of a road trip today. I've got to receive special delivery, and then I gotta go pick up the old dually that I bought, the 06. Oh man, not cool at all. You no good. You no good. Just squidged. Holy shit. Oh, wow. These cars no good. One of my first cars was the Mercury Topaz. My first car was a 83 what was it? Pontiac Parisienne. That was a beast. What I need is a bigger excavator that's got a, you know, a lot of weight to it so that I can really crush them down and I can stack three. Really crush them down, stack three probably. Like get one on top of that and then crush the engine from the one down into the trunk of the other one and then flip, you know, flip flop, you know what I mean? Two facing this way and one facing that way in the middle. That would be awesome. It's like a little baby load. It's like if it was just little baby load season, that's the load you would take. Yeah. Oh man. I thought we dealt with this. See what I think I did, is I was back dragging and I back dragged too much. And she didn't got enough gravels onto it now. Handy. What? Holy shit, boys, look at this. Look at this. Holy shit. My new one. Oh, that's a little long.
It's pretty harsh. I know it.
Let's get this bitch on the ground.
You'd have completely missed it.
Yeah.
You'd have one side of the wheel right here and the other side in there.
Just brain damaged, eh? Holy shit. Oh, I see. It's got hydraulic steering. That's how the steering works.
Air compression not working.
I don't know. It was making hissing noises, hitting the brakes and stuff.
It pumping there, but I never got in there and moved that fucking thing off of there.
No, I was tripping out the whole time. Like there's no brakes at all, right? Right on. No, Roger. Yeah. Excellent place to park. 16,900. Most of that's fuel. Take my part. 760. Okay, I gotta get something to eat. Holy shit. Oh dear, you can see it from the road. Oh no. My good one. You bessin'. Bessin'. That's my good one. I have to build another addition. Keep it inside. Raleigh. Just look onto it, boys. Friggin' decent. Yeah. Alright, well, third thing's third. I gotta piss. Oh dear. Right on, man. So this is all the transmission linkage, eh? And I was hoping that it would just some sort of contrabulation that would bolt right onto the NV4500, but no, that ain't gonna work. Maybe we can invent a new asshole, or who knows, we'll figure it out. 318. Look at that. Oh, these are 8.25 by 20. Crazy. Somebody could have came here and just frigged off my good stuff. You believe that? Is he? Yeah, I'll have to start going through all this stuff, but I gotta get the shop straightened out. I got a good couple days work to do before I can really get on anything. I'm gonna try to get the 83 out of here today, I guess, probably. Yeah, man. Move the metal, we'll switch that around, we'll get the walls done. Bring the 83 in here. It'd be awesome. Oh, I got quite the collection of Squizits now, boys. Oh dear, you know what I mean?